Hello there, Charger people. It's Mrs. Boyd here, talking today about multiplying polynomials. The words here say, when we multiply polynomials, we use the distributive property over and over and over again. Each term of the first polynomial gets distributed to each, term of the second polynomial, and then the expression is simplified. So let's do just that. First term times first term, x times 2x squared is 2x to the third. X times negative x is negative x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x. Then we'll do the second term times the first term. 2 times 2x squared is plus 4x squared. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we combine like terms. 2x cubed is the only x cubed, so it stays by itself. We're all done with that one. Negative x squared plus 4x squared is plus 3x squared. Those are gone. 3x minus 2x is plus 1x. Those are done. And then plus 6 on the end. And that's the simplified version of those two polynomials multiplied together. So let's start off a little bit easier and start out with binomial times binomial. We have first term times first term, x squared. First times second, plus 2x. First times first, plus x. First times second, or second times second, plus 2. Combine like terms. X squared plus 3x plus 2. Let's do another one. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is plus 6x. Negative 4 times x is minus 4x. Negative 4 times 6 is minus 24. We're going to have some terms to combine together to simplify. We've got x squared all alone, no other squares. We have 6x minus 4x is plus 2x, and minus 24 is all alone. Above, I marked these off when we combined them. You can continue to do that here if you choose. Let's do another one. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x. 8 times x is plus 8x. 8 times negative 2, minus 16. We combine like terms, only one x squared. Done with that. Negative 2x plus 8x is plus 6x. Those are done. And then minus 16. If you haven't tried any yet, why don't you try the next one on your own and then come back here and check your work. All right, we've got x times x is x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x. 5 times x is plus 5x. 5 times 3 is plus 15. We combine like terms, and we get x squared. 3x plus 5x is 8x plus 15. Next one. Excuse me. We have x times x is x squared. X times 9 is plus 9x. Negative 8 times x minus 8x. Negative 8 times 9 minus 72. Combine like terms. We've got x squared plus x minus 72. Here we go again. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is minus 3x. Negative 7 times x is minus 7x. Negative 7 times negative 3 plus 21. Combine like terms, and we get x squared minus 10x plus 21. All right, another row that are real similar. The difference here is we have a number in front of some of our x's. So we'll have 4x times x. That's 4x squared. 4x times 4 plus 16x. 1 times x is plus x. 1 times 4 is plus 4. Now we combine like terms. 4x squared plus 17x plus 4. Same thing. X times negative 2x squared. X times 1 is plus x. Negative 9 times negative 2x is plus 18x. Negative 9 times 1 is minus 9. We combine like terms. Negative 2x squared plus 19x minus 9. Another one. X times x is x squared minus 8xy. Two variables now. Negative 5 times x is minus 5x. Negative 5 times negative 8y is plus 40y. Remember now that we can only add terms together, combine like terms, when they're exactly the same. So there's nothing here we can simplify. This is the final answer. Try this next row on your own, which should be real similar to what we've been doing. 6x times 2x is 12x squared. 6x times negative y is minus 6xy. 3 times 2x is plus 6x. 3 times negative y is minus 3y. Again, we have an x squared, an x, an xy, and a y. None of those are duplicates, so we cannot combine any terms. X times negative 5x is minus 5x squared. X times 6 is plus 6x. Negative 4 times negative 5x is plus 20x. Negative 4 times 6 minus 24. We have something we can combine here. We have negative 5x squared that can't be combined, but 20x plus 6x is plus 26x. And then minus 24. Last one on this page. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3y is negative 3xy. Negative 7 times x is minus 7x. Negative 7 times negative 3y is plus 21y. And that gets no better. All right, we've done a ton of those. Let's move it over to the back and try some bigger numbers. Now we're going to do binomial, which is 1, 2 terms, times trinomial, 1, 2, 3 terms. So x times x squared is x to the third power. X times x is plus x squared. X times 2 is plus 2x. Notice this is the exact same process, just more times. 1 times x squared is plus x squared. 1 times x is plus x. 1 times 2 is plus 2. Now we'll have some things to combine. We have 1x cubed. 1, 2x squareds. 2, 3x's. And 1, 2. Let's do it again. 3x times x squared is 3x to the third power. 3x times negative 2x is minus 6x squared. And 3x times negative 4 is minus 12x. Next, negative 8 times x squared minus 8x squared. Negative 8 times negative 2x plus 16x. Negative 8 times negative 4 plus 32. Now we can combine like terms. 3x cubed is the only x cubed. Negative 6x squared minus 8x squared is minus 14x squared. Negative 12x plus 16x is plus 4x. And then plus 32. All right, you try the next ones on your own if you haven't yet. All right, starting out just the same. X times x squared is x cubed. X times x is plus x squared. X times negative 2 is minus 2x. All right, now we multiply negative 8 times x squared minus 8x squared. Negative 8 times x minus 8x. Negative 8 times negative 2 plus 16. Combine like terms. Only one x cubed. 1x squared minus 8x squared is minus 7x squared. Negative 2x minus 8x is minus 10x plus 16. Last one of these. Negative 2x times x squared is negative 2x to the third. Negative 2x times 5x minus 10x squared. Negative 2x times 1 is minus 2x. And then 1 times x squared plus x squared. 1 times 5x plus 5x. 1 times 1 plus 1. We combine like terms. Only one, negative 2x cubed. Negative 10x squared plus 1 is negative 9x squared. Negative 2x plus 5x is plus 3x. And plus 1 is all alone. All right, that's a binomial and a trinomial. Now we'll do two trinomials multiplied together. Same process, just lots more numbers. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times 2x plus 2x to the third. X squared times negative 1 minus x squared. X times x squared plus x to the third. X times 2x plus 2x squared. X times negative 1 minus x. One more time. 1 times x squared plus x squared. 1 times 2x is plus 2x. And 1 times negative 1 is minus 1. Now we combine like terms. X to the fourth is the only one. 2x cubed plus 1x cubed is plus 3x cubed. Negative x squared plus 2x squared is 1x squared. Plus 1x squared is plus 2x squared. Negative x plus 2x is plus x minus 1. Whew, that's a lot. Let's do the next one. 3x squared times x squared is 3x to the fourth. And then 15x to the third. And then plus 3x squared. The second term, negative 2x times x squared is negative 2x to the third. And then negative 10x squared. And then negative 2x. Last but not least, plus 4x squared plus 20x. Gotta scoot the paper over. Plus 4. Combine like terms. Only one, 3x to the fourth. 15x cubed minus 2x cubed is 13x cubed plus 13x cubed. Done with those. 3 minus 10 for the x squareds is minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3x to the third. That's x squared, sorry. Negative 2x plus 20x is plus 18x plus 4. Let me fix this. Definitely not a 3, definitely a 2. All right, try these next two all on your own. All right, we can do it. I'm going to scoot this paper over and give myself plenty of space. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times 3x plus 3x to the third minus 3x squared. 4x times x squared plus 4x to the third plus 12x squared minus 12x. 5 times x squared plus 5x squared plus 15x minus 15. Got to put these together. Only one x to the fourth. 3x cubed plus 4x cubed is plus 7x cubed. Negative 3 for the squares. Plus 12 is 9. Plus 5 is plus 14x squared. Negative 12x plus 5x plus 15x is plus 3x. And then minus 15 on the end. Very last one. I know you can do it. Scoot it down. There we go. 2x squared times 6x squared is 12x to the fourth. Whoopsie. And then negative 5 is minus 10x to the third. And then minus 6x squared. 5x times 6x squared plus 30x to the third minus 25x squared minus 15x. Negative 36x squared minus 30x plus 18. Put these together. 12x to the fourth is the only one of those. Negative 10x cubed plus 30 is plus 20x to the third. Negative 6 for the x squareds. Minus 25 is negative 31x squared. Minus 36 is negative 67x squared. Negative 15x minus 30x is minus 45x. And then plus 18 on the end. Whew, that's a lot of numbers. All right, you should have one more page of notes. We're only going to do the front. We're not going to do the back. So if we have a binomial times a binomial times a binomial, you are going to worry about two at a time. So let's worry about the first two first. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is plus 6x. Negative 4 times x is minus 4x. Negative 4 times 6 is minus 24. And we've got that in these brackets, and x plus 2 still exists. So we can combine like terms inside our brackets. We've got x squared plus 2x minus 24, and then still x plus 2. Now we can multiply in the brackets times the parentheses. X squared times x is x to the third. X squared times 2 is plus 2x squared. 2x times x is plus 2x squared. And then plus 4x. Negative 24 times x is minus 24x minus 48. Now we combine like terms for the very last time on this problem. X to the third. 2x squared plus 2x squared is plus 4x squared. Um, 4x minus 24x is minus 20x. And then minus 48 on the end. All right, let's do another one, and then you'll do one on your own. X times x. You know what? Let's do it differently this time. Let's put the last two in brackets. We have x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And that's in brackets, and x minus 7 is in parentheses. Combine like terms with our brackets, and we get x squared minus 9. 3 x's disappear. So now it's times x minus 7. Well, x times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 9 is minus 9x. Negative 7 times x squared is minus 7x squared. And then plus 63. Combine like terms one more time. We actually can't. I'm just going to rearrange and put it in standard form. And that's as good as it gets. So the order does not matter. You can multiply any two parentheses together that you want, and you'll always get the same answer as long as you don't forget that third polynomial. So multiply this last set in whatever order you need to, and then check back for your answer. All right, I'm going to do the first two again just because they're close. I'm not going to draw any rainbows this time. I think you can do it. We've got 6x squared plus 16x minus 15x minus 40. That's got to be in parentheses, though, because 4x minus 6 is in parentheses as well. Combine like terms, and we get 6x squared plus x minus 40 times 4x minus 6. So 24, nope, just kidding, 24x squared minus 36x, that's x cubed, x squared plus 4x squared minus 6x plus 160x minus 240. Combine like terms. Only one 24x to the third power. Negative 36x squared plus 4x squared is minus 32x squared. Those are gone. Minus 6x plus 160x is plus 154x. Minus 240 stays. All right, I hope this makes all sorts of sense to you. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. And I look forward to seeing you soon.